welcome back to the tribe. I first want to say thank you to all my new tribe members who've joined into this big, beautiful, melanated tribe. And if you've not joined into this big, beautiful, melanated tribe, I'm going to need you to go over here, hit that red subscribe button, and join into all of this tribalness that we've got going on over here. All right, so let's discuss the elephant in the room. I am wearing this U-part wig from, not a U-part wig, a headband wig from HerGivenHair, and I reviewed this wig before on my channel. I will link it up above so you guys can go check it out if you've never seen it. This is serving up a whole vibe for me. This is like taking me back years ago to when my hair was like shorter. I love this style though. I'm in love with this style. But today I have another unit from HerGivenHair, and it is a U-part kinky straight wig. And I'm excited. I'm excited for it. I'm ready for it. I feel like this season is going to be like wig season for me because look at this. Like, this is not any wig season. This is, I'm waking up, I'm feeling myself, I'm slaying this, and I don't care who doesn't like it type of vibe, but I know that I look cute, so I'm gonna rock it anyways, whether you like it or not type of season. So that's what we're doing, okay? That is what we're doing. We're protective styling all season, and I'm here for it. This is a change, and I love it. So that's what we're doing. So you guys know that from the video before this, I showed you guys kind of like my new low maintenance protective style. I like to do 2 braids, and the only reason I'm able to wear these wigs is because my hair is laying a lot more flatter now that I'm wearing 2 braids, opposed as me wearing a lot of twist in my hair. It gets bulky, so I'm taking advantage of that to the fullest. I love my protective style. It's amazing. It's great. If you haven't seen that video, I will also link it up above so you can go and check out my new protective style. So we're going to take this off and we're going to get into the wig right now. So let's just 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, so for the sake of this video, we're going to pretend like I didn't open this already, and we're going to be surprised together, okay? This box has been through the ringer. I don't know what's on it, but let's just, okay. So this, oh my God, this box looks terrible. What did I do to it? Oh man, there's just like conditioner and like all kind of stuff on this box. All right, anyways, this is the box. And look how it comes, nicely packaged. You open it up, you got the wig. It also comes with this really cool duster bag that says HerGivenHair on it. You can store your wig in there or store whatever it is you want to if you're traveling. And then it comes with the wig care instructions as well. Co-washing, how to care for it. Oh, Miss Naturally Mary, look. How to lay down your like lace fronts, basic maintenance tip, washing, tips on straightening the hair, so on and so forth. So that's that. And this is the wig. She is in 20 inches. Yeah, she's in 20 inches. I think she's like 180 density or something like that. But here she is right here. She's soft. She really feels like natural hair. And we're gonna also pretend like the lace is still there, that I didn't like cut the U out already, okay? Because I already tried this one. Okay, so when it came, it obviously came attached, but I cut the little straps off, and this is what I got. Now, this cap, as well as this cap, is custom to my head. So they did a custom size for me only because I have a lot of hair, so I cannot fit just like a regular small or medium cap size. So this cap size is custom made for my head. They do make custom sizes. When you go on the website and you select your wig, you can just go down to the cap size and it has a section where you can put custom, and then you take the measurements, the circumference, the front to nape, you know, all that. You take those measurements and you enter them in, and they'll custom make your wig for you. Now, the only problem that I have with this wig is my hair is longer than the wig. So it looks really funny if I try to do leave out. So we're gonna do this, but we are going to make the U part essentially like a headband wig, all right? Because that's the only way that I can wear it because my hair is long. So I'm just gonna snatch her off. And underneath, I already have my hair in the wig cap. So I'm not gonna take it down. So my hair is already in the wig cap. I also have a silk scarf underneath it because I just don't like to put the wig cap over my hair. That's just me. I like to put something under it. So I have a really, really thin silk scarf underneath. And as you can see, it's still laying flat. So I'm also gonna push this back a little bit because we're going to essentially stretch out the U and make it like that. So let me just grab a headband. This headband has also been through the ringer. Let me go grab another headband. Why does this headband look so dingy? Jeez. All right, I decided to get another headband. I wasn't feeling the black one. There was no contrast. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this headband on. Oh, if I could get it over my head. Ugh, so tight. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I start mine from the back just to go over my little hump that I have back there. Make sure it is secured. And then I'm just going to hook that in there. And I guess I could use the side clips too. It's not that bad. Okay, so stretch it out as much as I can. And I think that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just put the headband over it, making sure that I cover the U part so that you can't see that. Now, all right, that's cute. I'm feeling it. Now, if you want to, you can lay your edges and do all that. I'm just gonna leave mine normal. Okay, so it lays pretty flat. You see, it lays pretty flat. I'm here for it. All right, so I have my flat iron plugged in. I'm gonna go over it with the flat iron a little bit, and then we're gonna put some wand curls in it. Some wand curls. So let's see what we can do with this bad boy. All right, so I have my flat iron. This is a Conair. I don't know. I got it from Walmart for like 20 bucks. So here you go. It doesn't take long to heat up at all. Like literally a couple seconds. So let's wait.
Few inches later.
All right, it's heated up. I'm just gonna do this really quickly because ain't nobody trying to be flat ironing his hair. Oh, that laid really straight though. Let's see, let's take a section. Let's see how it. This is actually satisfying my need to, or my desire, my wants. It's just satisfying my attempts. It's satisfying my need to want to flat iron my hair. It's really flat too, actually. All right, we're just gonna go over it roughly. Okay, let's speed this up a little bit. Okay. Okay, I think it took pretty well. with the flat iron. I didn't get like the under part under here, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, no matter what, like it's not my hair, so it always feels like weird and foreign to me, but I think it's pretty cute. Like I can do this, and it just really takes me back to when my hair was shorter, so I love that sometimes. All right, now we're going to put some curls in it, and I am using, what is this? This Remington wand curler. All right, let's see if I can do this. See how this look. I'm here for this though, to be honest. I mean, I think I'm like at a point this season where I just kind of want to, I mean, I know I always leave my hair alone, but I want to switch it up. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. All right, so I'm gonna speed this up and do this, and we will be right back. This is so bomb. This is so pretty. Okay, look, but look, let's talk though real quick, okay? My arms started getting tired. I've actually never done wand curls on my natural hair or anything like that. So this was like the first time doing wand curls. But this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can just imagine what it would look like if you actually wore it as a U-part and left like some of your hair out. That would be so bomb. It's just that my hair is a lot longer. Maybe I can just wand curl it like tighter though. It doesn't matter, it's still gonna drop. Oh, let me curl this little piece right here. I don't wanna burn my neck. Okay. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Look at this hair. You guys, look at this. Look at this hair. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. This hair is I am in love with this look. And it's so soft. This just reminds me of my shorter natural hair. I'll post a video, I'll post a picture of my shorter natural hair so you guys can see. But this is so pretty. I highly, highly, highly suggest that you guys go to HerGivenHair's website and check out this U-part wig. They have a whole line now of more affordable wigs, but those are lace fronts. Fusion of Culture, is that her channel? She reviewed one, and I thought it was a U-part wig because the lace part just looks like her scalp. But I know that she reviewed one. It looks absolutely gorgeous on her. You can, just type in the search box, U-part, HerGivenHair kinky straight. You guys, this is so pretty. This is it. This is every day. Every day, every video you see me, this is what I'm gonna have on if I'm talking. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. I don't even let's just cut the video. I just don't have nothing else to say. Let's just cut it. Let's just cut it. She's full, she's bouncy, she looks realistic. I love this. This is so bomb. Like, this is so pretty. You can wear so many different styles, I feel like, with this. Let me see, flip it over to like one side. How would that look? I don't really like that. This is so pretty. I'm loving this. I'm loving this vibe. I'm about to go buy some more headbands. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am going to link the website down below, as well as the direct link to this U-part wig, as well as a code down below so you can get a nice little percentage off of your order. I love all of you. Don't forget to rate, comment, and join into the tribe if you have not already joined. Again, thank you guys for 100K. I love all of you so much, and I will see you in my next video.